Yo, what's going on, everybody? Sean's Quality Services back with another video, and I am your host, Sean. So what are we doing today? Today we are going to do a freestyle 3D print. I've been meaning to make a charging stand for my cameras. I have an A6400, is that what this is called? I believe so. Yep, a A6400, and I have a Sony 5100 too also. And I use both of the cameras, so why not make a stand for them? So this is going to be episode 1 of a freestyle 3D print. Okay, everybody, so right here, this is where I spend most of my time at. This is where I actually charge my cameras, and this is where I do all my 3D printing. So what I am thinking is making my mount possibly right here. And mind you, this is just something quick, fast, and easy. You know, this isn't something permanent. This is just nothing more than just making a design from scratch and making it work. You know, if I really want it to be stationed, I will put it in this designated area, you know, a better area than this, but I'm not even worried about all that. All I'm worried about is just making a product. So this is what I plan on making. Plan on making hooks to come off of this, off of the 3D printer itself, and I want it to hang right here where my cameras, which, all right, I got my A5100, and right here is the charging port right there. So what I need to make, you know, I have my surge protector down here. You know, for right now, I'm just going to make something simple. You know, what I plan on doing is possibly making a mount right here, and maybe I can make it deep or under like that. That way the plugs will be coming up, and that's actually what I might end up doing. You know, as long as my lens is off, I should be okay. I can make it closed in where it can hang right here. I can have one right here and one right there, and make it work. You know, that'll be the design. You know, again, this is just something quick and easy. All right, so I have one thing that I need to measure out. I need to measure out how far my hangers are going to be. So my hangers are going to be 2 millimeter thick, and it needs to be 2 millimeter thick. It needs to be about 17 millimeters long. All right, y'all. So this right here is the infamous spaghetti gone wild. You know, I don't know what to really call it or what caused it, but yes, it was doing very well up until I don't know what happened. Interesting. Occasionally you will get stuff like this when you 3D print. I just need to go back through and see what exactly happened, and we're going to fix this issue. Stay tuned. General update. So as you can see down at the bottom here, for some reason it's having some sticking issues, but overall the print is a success. Right now we are down to 38 minutes left to this. For this print to be over with. So far, so good. You know, as of right now, you know, the only thing that I'm only worried about is making sure that the measurements are correct and it mounting up to the printer the way that I expect it to, the way that I measured it out. Sometimes you get your measurements wrong, sometimes you get them right, but let's cross our fingers and hope that is right. But yes, we do have some sticking issues right there. I will zoom in. Let's zoom into it. Boom. Right there. Right there is where we having some sticking issues. My camera did me a favor and just made it a little bit closer. Just put it a little bit closer to it. But alright, but yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we are all finished. The print is done. There we go. Let's see what it looked like, how it came out. Alright, so of course you see all of the supports. I have to clean all that, but one thing that I really want to see all the supports. I have to clean all of that. And the supports were pretty much for this rim right here, which is the bottom of the casing. So of course these supports right here are for the initials of the business name. And you know, one thing that I really want to see right now is, does this work? Does it fit? Did I measure it correctly? Let's see. Oh my goodness. On the first try, you know, on the first try, it works. So let me clean this up real fast. Yo, I'm pretty pumped. Let me clean this up real fast and let's see if the actual camera fits inside of it. Stay tuned. And boom, just like that, I have the holder connected to the printer. I have the A5100 inside of the holder, and I have the charger connected to the A5100. It looks good. I cannot be much more happier. Couldn't be too much happier. I mean, look at it. Yeah, it may not look the coolest, but this thing only took me 20 minutes, y'all. Only took me 20 minutes, if that, and an hour and a half of printing. And this is my results. I couldn't be much more satisfied. You know, a little bit of quality issues, but the main thing that I wanted was for the holder to connect to the printer and the camera to fit inside of the holder, and the cable and the charger cable to be connected and work perfect without no issues, where I would have to print this a third, fourth, fifth, sixth time. This is what it's all about, y'all. As you can see, something like this only took me 20 minutes. And I can create much more. So, I hope y'all like this video. I hope I've inspired somebody. You know, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to my Session 1 Freestyle 3D printing video. Session 2 is on the way next. I'm going to come up with another idea. When my following starts to get a lot more, I'm going to be asking y'all to give me different ideas and me create them. You know, so y'all, thank you for tuning in. Sean's Quality Services, signing out.